Hello everyone, welcome to Cut News, and today at this point in time alongside me the person who recently won Miss Karbi Anglong Award, and I have a pleasure to introduce you here. Welcome to Cut News, Rupali. My first question to you, Rupali, is very simple, and this will be why you participated in Miss Karbi Anglong.
Okay, first of all, I'd like to thank the entire Cut News team for inviting me, and yeah, the reason why I participated. So I'm a very introverted person, very timid kind of person. So I didn't actually plan to participate in this. One day I saw the advertisement of Miss Karbi Anglong on Facebook. Then I came to know that there is the Kajir Ronghang Memorial Talent Hunt Society. They are going to organize the first ever Mr. Karbi Anglong. So the first thought that came to my mind was like, okay, my brother. So I thought that he is the right person for this Mr. Karbi Anglong. So I approached him and I convinced him to participate. And at the same time, my brother and my mom convinced me to participate for the same. So at first I hesitated, but at last I realized that for an introvert like me, it's a best opportunity to, speak out my mind and gain confidence. So this is the main reason.
So did you ever thought that you will be winning this award? Have you ever wondered that you will be winning this award and I will definitely become Miss Karbi Anglong? Did you ever thought that?
Actually, it's like 50% yes and 50% no.
Okay. Why you think that 50% yes and 50% no?
As I told you before, that I'm very timid kind of person. So when I went for the audition, and honestly speaking, I would be not disheartened if I could not win the or get into the audition.
What was your preparation for this event? Many people and many beauty pageants used to prepare a lot for such event, and they have to work so hard for participate in this event. So I just want to know your preparation for this event.
Actually, I doesn't know much about this fashion industry or the beauty pageant, and this is my first time participating in this kind of contest. So I didn't know much about it, and I didn't know what to begin with and what to, I didn't know the basics, but we had a grooming session there and I got to learn many more about it.
So just tell me that since you are talking about the Article 240, the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, right? So what are the changes, what is the thing and what are the changes that you want to see in your society apart from the implementation of this article? What is the changes that you want to see in our society?
Yeah, there are lots of things. There's many evil things that are prevailing right here in our place, and we the tribal people are get neglected in every field. So I just wanted to show that we can also achieve and we can also do it. And I want to, if as you said before, as asked me before, what if you could be the CM. So this will be my main effort, that to uplift the condition of our people, especially the backwards and unprivileged people of our tribal people.
All right. Pinangan tum jasimet non Karbi din Sri Sonim Sorong Anjita Nangli Bomlo di lasi tum social media long pinangan itum chithan lo so pinso tum ke seleng ching thang thi that it is arlo so tum si pindeng ching thang chot ti possible hadi pinangan tum ke lasi nangli hin penan bang ku pieces isi abidi mate suggestion gi pg la jasimet pindeng ching thang thi that tum han ching thang nang ji ma ching thang nei ma mate ko son si tum ki klem ponang ji pindeng ka paching pachet thang ji apa.
Ahok loy ili tu maprang na tek bon long Karbi pindeng sumpot hedi ili Karbi kai kang tim janam lo kai chan pig lo, but ili tum non hedi aprang bon lang dam pelote ili tum mala pindeng sumpot elami ki kating ni duk pig lo itum risoi jang atum lasi mainly ke mi thang si chema thanang pola ke bang ke nang toy un ilon tin ma ke nang toy ilon nang laki mi thang along dolo ili kai ching hon pelote nang sedang pindeng sumpot pachanji aprang ponji pelote nang li mi thang along dolo. So alam ke pula lahan lo alo supin so lo tumbang ke city na program ang thailong ching thang wat supin so tumbang ke la lo ala de pinding sumpot bang ke long sum krung ti la son ta do engke adho number 1 la bang ke ang ko do thulang mane choklo swarlu tumi chingthang po choklo arlo pinsu tum ke jola ma po hu hai chupung po le choklo son hedi anke aprang pelangdam pulote like pinding sampot ke thek mane la ke thak thek atum ta kom pik lonon bangki inke la hai pen po di dure da titilo la pinding sampot ma hedi so I think la pinding sampot ke thek mane la so sai bang thedi ke Charlie pon nang sot le he ke so pinso tum pusta me la lo nang ri tum me nasi chima thanang po if you love your like people lalo arong aje long kai ki sameli choklim pending sumpot choklim pensi ili khai phan aprang pondunang po
terang thak thak ma thek
ngane ni li non Charlie bom la
Charlie bom nang di jong si kopinia nang pathak toy patang te kopi lo thak ching ke mate Karbi tung ke son hormone ke thak ching poloteng te la son thak nang jibo sipo kopi lo la thak ching
aprang si like ni schooling dun bom hot schooling Charlie schooling hot hadi ni isi po kali kesana po pilu ape podo pilu ku podo ma jadi alo so pilu pinso pilu po la e boy thak long lo nili la that pen ke nili Charlie lias ding olo he mane ka Charlie sai bang dokok ti ma ding ke Charlie long le ti la pinding sumpot la ke thak bang hedi then non nili pai viving hedi khuli lo mane in pool he nili hemalong pe hon ki non nili ke chingthang ma ta la ma le hedi so nili pai long nili Charlie dun dun so firstly nili ke thakang tung bang ke non bang ke like pinso tung pen pu bom lo ma ti di mane dure pik lo mane ke thak thek tung ba Charlie tung hedi so nili la bang ke la pinso tung ma choi hong thor en ke la Japan hai sidi firstly ne main priority lo ke thak ka Charlie kang tung bang ke
nangli bong bijoy mohesta meng than lo langli ke patient dok pik pusipulo di plasi nangli ta patient dok pik ma mate isi ke mang nangli doma dong si do potang te ko pilo la so ke mang nangli than ni ma
la lo alama ke ni li chiputek the that pisini li a hokpet ni ke hang ma hadi so ni li ke I'm like a person that go with the flow na son la ha so ni li chiputek the odai mata but ni li experience bom lo kapre ka size ta me bor idun bom lo ko pisi ni li ni a hokpet ke thek ma hadi na sa ko chichini ji phan ni li bor ipit ti le he la hesta me most important ke nangli aim ti chini ni puling li nangli lake demerits kali le he so la son nangli jongsi nangli chichini ni pti nangli belek belek sai ta mi claim bilo mati di la claim lo pulo tang ting ke nangli long knowledge bang ke asiti na sai pat knowledge nangli long po so like main aki minai hormulo pusni li puji la so keep on going and mane opportunity bang kitia ta mane di grabs to learning padam long le dat nang ji
lalo la pen ki si bang ke itum non jasmet di Karbi Anglong long literacy rate di literacy rate bang ke low pik lo ke Charlie hin lo ke Charlie hin bang ke pa pik an lo itum long bang ke asi nang le hin pen bang non lo ke Charlie tuma riso jang tuma phan aprang mate ani ar lo ke Charlie ahin ko son sin nang de thani ji
kalang ilitum Karbi Anglong pupi like all over India like the education system mang big big lo number 1 na bang ke ka Charlie la mane education la so than bang mate ke Charlie hem sami di dure ola like school long ni thegam long hedi than bang tum ta por pen tam de ke so mardom tam ki jui se chelang da titilo Charlie por chi and so number 1 bang ke la lo than bang sami sai che claim nang po la tum sami tangka phane claim cho nang kalilo so mar a future for bright and se claim nang po la pen a pa po pi po tum tam ya so mar chelang nang po that mane education han lo pure thilong ke thinai hormulo education le abi ploti pure thi kang tinga teng lo mati di na si api po tum tama thanang po like bihe kang ko ke osomar ka mi thang ke chema tha tek the la la na si la an ma ga pi po as ari deng se dolo ke pat than bang ari deng se lo la pen thilo an ki emi na ari deng se dolo di pai po ke nang thanan ber thek thelo mate nang pari dun ber thek thelo ili thelo ding lo polo dang te emi na si chema tha po nang po that nili sai ke la han lo jong si nang li Karbi Anglong chinghon nang li khai chinghon pulote education anat bangke ili bor idon picking education it doesn't mean that nang li school long ka chali kitab education and knowledge la hai hoi chot kali every field long ta nang li bor inang ji la bor idolo pulotang te anso si paprang nang ili Karbi Anglong ta
isi nang arju thulang la bangke penang an swaldo tum phan jase mera bangke api potum non son la son beauty patient nang che pate dun ji phan our site hodun de mate kroi dun de la person se kiong la sinang li phanta jase mera bangke nali tum hem sarpi sabora tum nang che kroi dun de la person doma kaprang pen
la person ke abi अभी पुसन के अभी मने दी नीली फान मांगे नंगे तो इधन हुआ जात लो मने नीली के एकदम फेरे पिकती मची दी मने मुनित दी थेरापिक public speaking lah hai so nili pai bang ke aprang man dami dila public speaking lah aning hang o jalo la so ni dai ta nili panang toy dun lo mane nang encourage pik lo mane like jad so long tami mane son anchoring nang tang ho mane la son program na son nang jipo te din nang toy dun pik pik mane pabor idun ji phane di so nili hem bang ke nili pai ta nili po ta lo nili phan la so assign nat bang ke ajat asai tami nili panang support pika
okay jasmet bang ke nang lege bolong ko ma jipen si hadak pan jasmet se dak se the ke ding la puson lo ke di asi si hini ko pia pot si bolong ko ma jipu ki pudam no la pen ke aprang pen ke kupi si pudam bokulia pasi aprang non ta pinang an bokulia pasi bom la si bolong ko ma jipu kupi pot si da bolong ko ma jipu pudam lo nang le sa chini ma la
actually nili la an ki chini o but sab bang sarpi tum ban karjo dun long ateng ke mane nili tum da bolong kamaji mane bolong bokolia puse pule bokolia which means like bogoli puse assamese pen ke kupu bolong kom phan le so aprang mate li karbi ke bolong komaji puse pule last time ya phit bang ke lar phak le bokolia la sonsi bilo la sonsi nili sarpi tum ban karjo dun long hai inke non stami la bolong kom bang ke di do ikpik sami aprang lang dam pulke non nagi kibir le hedi tami there are some place adhok dhok dim do like bahoni other so lahai long hedi checker tu long hedi lahai non ta lahai thepon long itu
da cut news long ki wang long pen ko son la feelings nang li ti thani jima
actually ning ching sam pik an lo ni tum phana dak naki invite a pod actually I'm little bit nervous already like tami ning ching sam pik an lo anke aprang sami nang li show lang verity ning ching sam pik nang li so isile mo panili bong so ke puson like it was his dream to talk with you to converse with you lalo hen nili lalo is your dream mang ke la pen nang li pen ching kicha than long pot ning ching sam pik an lo la pen Karbi Anglong la cut news ke lang atum han tami thank you and la team cut news tum han ta choro pik an lo nang ke invite pot
okay you just tell me nang li nang thanik jima la ovi kimie tung kapre ke mang tung la do penangan tung e doctors ke chiman je tum naning hang ta do engineers ke chiman je hang ta do la pen kapre ke modeling ke chiman je tum ta do masila tum ma phan ku nang li ko pcn ka ching tum ma te ke thang tung nang li hin pen
la no per monit tum ke like aning hang song ke to pik lo di but still ke parents pressure law society pressure law that nili nang li la son si manvek nang ji do ma ti di but still nili pudam ji bang ke nang li ning ke hang kupi ma la bang le nang li chusik non because ning ke hang along lo pu nang li interest la an so se lo chi pipo jong si nang li bang toy pa ne ke claim chat plote la ke aprang dam un e pu li mathaji non ili dum pudam ji la beauty pageant hype long pustame like when we talk about beauty pageant people think that it's only about the walk the looks the beauty but I think it's more than that it's finding like a role model for society and finding a beauty with a brain so just along stami parents tum stami lo like nangli so marjong si like beauty pageant nang participate in la chata sai long participate in ji pusami our sai bang people no support non la pen kachali tum stami aprang an se dami polote just choose what you want to do bang a pressure pen nang kitia ta la claim nang ne nang li ning ke hang ku pima la bang lebor ipon kai keta an se aprang dam ikon panang li
la se Rupali nang li phan puthot ni le kar ju thu jialam the ke la poson hen lo jon just met tum ovi ki mi tum suicide puta dolo la pen penang antuman ke abnormal puta dolo la pen ke penang ke project po tuma phanta dolo la si bang ke depression alam non penang an ji thang go son lo la pen depression ke penang antum du la si depression po thak nang li pilon jeng tung la pen ke nang li alang tum phan depressed at amoni tum phan di alang tum phan ke pilon ke thaning tum
depression am putam lo plote like when we talk about depression in our society nilitum mane depression no plote mane tum recognize ni society tum igilitum matha that depressed person lo like mental issues so lote abnormal so matha weird opposite matha de tum phan palason kali pusni lipudamji ilitum like ipusto lo plotam ilitum doctors dam damati di isu solo ke dentist ang dam same lo like nang mind long nang problem do issues do difficulties do prote tata same treatment si anang po psychiatrist long dam nang po doctor long dam nang po like lightly anang nila hai hormo di like inge ili tum like society long like unintentionally ili tum hadi jerpang bong sami mane ki pujibe ke kalile tami unintentionally ili tum mane son comment pidatiti Tamil adhoga muni tumbang ke like they are very sensitive majidi so hard that tilo get so mane we should know when we speak chichini ning tum bisi ko sons kaning jema bangan hard that hai so isi malicious comment nang isi malicious comment ki pipen bang phan greatly impact do kok tai na sila bang lo enke lalo like family long sami like support nang like depression hormone di like maybe like ini tum tinang bong edel lang bong depression do pilo especially women nang bong do pilo laki so especially di pudam ji bang so arlo tumang bong si depression mang ki ong di like family burden puno aja the burden puno adult mang do masi dolo but adhok tumang ki excessive depression excessive dalopote muni tum ki anutin taning gi oi di it's normal aning gi normal but adhok tumang ki excessive an extreme level that's called anxiety or depression ditum ining ki oide nini thom se do chati di ining arong thochi but depression polte la santali ditum like week and months ditum la so potedi you can't even express nang ditum che than tek ti pu dek the ining ki oi ko som ni is extreme as a doctor mangala so join even the suicidal that so la son por hot ke like right medical treatment takanang sot lo and most importantly like support friends ang bong support family ang bong support abang kenang sot lo so nasilo nang litum dong sa puson na munit like weird o like aning ki oil son theklong pulote hedi nang litum patherak nang ne just be there for them nang li dong si just talk to them nang li pijir pang bong sa mila son do tahay just like don't ignore them just nang litum just talk to them ask them why ko people sila son ma and kaya lang tum nang chitham se don't laugh at them mane di ingek cho inang ni mane la son sunan ki oda son pedi just give equal important and ke equal se treat nang jika duka we phanta
Miss Karbi Miss Assam 2021 non chengpon po lasi nang li direct entry silong iklo hadak direct silong non po lasi nang li la so upon preparation ko pilo lapen nang li chepati dunji ma dunde jong se chepati dunji polotang te a preparation bang ko pilo lapen ke sia bang ke nang li rat upon ko pilo ka chining ring tung la so participations al upon
actually ni participate dunji paning hang pikan lo but nili exams ta do kok ji ta haila sonjal hai February first week lom sila na Miss Assam ta do po like exam ta nili la so February month la first week lom lo la sinili mang labang ke like I'm not sure but jong sinili participate dun pulote nili manera ta tumphan mane nang support ji nang help dun ji phan tuning rilo.
It was a great conversation with Rupali Timungpi, ladies and gentlemen, and such a pleasure to have her here on this show because he just told us that he has different passions and different things that he has to do in the days to come. So we all must pray to God for her that in the days to come she will be achieving whatever she is looking for. Rupali, thank you so much for your time, even if you have very less time, but despite of that you manage your time and come here with your brother, and that is what we are very much grateful to you. Thank you so much once again, Rupali, for your time, and thank you each and every one of you for your time and watching this event.